Welcome to Ted Paul Nature Trail. My name is Jim. And you are?
I'm
Okay. Ted Paul Trail is where you I'm the guide. So I'm the one taking you up on the trail, explaining flowers, fruit trees, views, photos for you, any question you feel free to ask. Right.
So we're in Supre right now.
Yes, you are in Supre, Kwabena. It's called Kwabena. Yeah, but the trail is called Ted Paul.
So do you know why exactly it's called Ted Paul?
It is called Ted Paul because we had a French guy sitting on the top. So Ted means head or top, and the Paul was a French guy living on the top. So his full name was Jean-Claude Paul, and he was living on the top, so that is why they named the area Ted.
Interesting history.
Right.
So how long is the climb or walk or hike?
The hike is about 45 minutes from.
Okay. It's just on the flats or it's like a steep hill?
No. It's like walking to the park.
Okay, wow. Hopefully we'll just go through smoothly and have some fun. So, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hope we have fun.
You will. I'll be the guide. And if you want to hike with the Pito, I do it all.
Oh my gosh.
Right. Fun. And this one here is called the Brazilian button. Yeah, Brazilian button. And this one here, aloe vera, for sunburn, inflammation, mosquito bites. And this one here is called Exora. You can get them in red, yellow, pink, and white colors. Crotons, they come in different shapes and colors. And this one is chenille. It's like a French name that means caterpillar.
Okay.
Yeah, chenille, red cattail, or red dreadlocks. And these here, crab claw heliconias. Oh yeah. Not no more. We had a little shack there. Fell down. Okay. So, this is a root vegetable, cassava or tapioca we call it. A root vegetable that can take 9 months to be ready. Ready, we dig it out, wash out the dirt, remove the skin, and we use a grater to grate to get the pulp. The pulp, place it in sacks with stones over to get rid of the acid that was used as bleach back in the days. And then the white pulp, after you
Get the starch.
you place the pulp in sacks, stones over to get rid of the acid. The acid was used as bleach. And when you dry it there, you get the farina. Or you call it tapioca flour, which is gluten free. You can do your porridge out of it, pudding, mix with avocados, or you can use with sugar. The true flower is this one there, the yellow one, and the pink is still the leaf. You come. Look here. That one is named, which one is it?
Anyway.
Anyone?
Noni.
Okay. You heard the name? N-O-N-I. And because of the smell, take the smell. Because of the smell, they call it stingy cheese fruit. Right. Right. And because of the taste, bite into it if you want. Because of the taste, they call it the vomit fruit. but it's very healthy.
Have you ever told anybody?
Like this, you can do fragrant cheese. You can do fragrant cheese out of it. You can ferment and do juice and wine. The juice is very good for weight loss.
Okay.
Right, and that is the tree here. That is the tree. It can grow about, the tree can grow about 10-15 feet in height. And every single part of the tree we can use to treat illnesses like burns, pains, arthritis, inflammation, high blood pressure, cancer.
Any of your doctors will ever bite one?
Yeah. The last time I had a guest who bite into it and she got one thing. The leaves, you can use it in your soup or your stew. Right. Yeah. Well, anything on the top for me, I will do it for you. Bag of money, bag of gold.
I will deal with Gopito.
Whoa, spikes.
We palm. It's a palm tree. I mentioned about good palm.
That's because I'm seeing that tree.
We have them tall in the forest, see?
Yeah.
Since the berry and the parrots love the berry. Add something look like a coconut, very hard. Oui. Yes, the name is palm.
When the tree was the foundation, it was done as part of like the various landowners.
Yeah, because it was going through foundation.
Foundation, right?
Yeah, but after the time the landowner took over. So from here we can see the north part. The tallest peak in the island, Mount Jimmy.
Oh, that's one Jimmy.
1,119 feet.
Wow.
Or 915 meters tall. And we do hiking too. It's like a 6-7 hours round trip to hike.
Anno.
7 hours?
Round
8
trip.
hours first time.
Some people take more time, some
8
take
hours for the
less time.
first time. I like 2 hours to the next company.
And it's part of the forest. One Jimmy is part of the forest.
I got
So
one
53.
times already. Yeah, the last time I had
53%. So April is the month when it flowers, and together the nuts in the fruit they go together. You can eat as a fruit, you can do juice or wine out of it. Some people say it is poisonous. The nut, no. It is acidic because it carries a gas in it. A gas. So when you pick them, you let them sit in the sun so the gas can evaporate. But if you roast with the gas in there and you eat, it can blister your lip. Yeah, and then after roasting, you still have to break open the shell to get the nut in there.
I see it.
Ibrahim take a lot of lectures.
It's from the palm family. The tree can grow about 60-70 feet in height. right? And the green nuts is very hard to fall down. So either we take bamboo to put them down, or we climb on the tree to get them.
Or the rat throw it down for you.
Right. And the water inside is very refreshing. That's the only water when you drink goes straight to the blood. Right. So that is why if there's no IV at the hospital, coconut water can replace that. Because it carries electrolytes in there. Electrolytes, right? And do not mix it with alcohol.
Yeah.
After doing that for a long time, it can become a slow poison. But that's the best water after a hangover. Best water.
Blue cocoa.
It got electrolytes in there, so you can use it as IV. Yes.
Jag ska säga lite det ni fick till det.
Yeah, that's
Hey, the snake plants.
So alright, papaya. What the papaya? So papaya is a vegetable when green and a fruit when ripe.
So that's possible.
Because when green you can do pie out of it. Oh, papaya pie. And you can cook together with chicken. The meat. You can tenderize it. And papaya is very good for digestion. When ripe you can do your smoothies or you can eat as a soup. Right. And the seeds we threw is very good for kidney problems. Because it carries papain enzyme in there. Right, so you dry the seeds and you can pound them or grind them into a powder.
just did it. Auntie,
Yeah.
Original shell?
Right.
No.
anything they get, they will get.
You can create your tea out of it.
I saw one when you like the soldier.
Right?
Not to hold that
That's
thing.
the linseed you
I want to move it in the shell.
You want to move in that way? How is it coming out? Not too much, but I step where you go.
rosemary. So
Rosemary, yeah.
if you travel and you get car sick, you can have the rosemary as an inhaler, or you can put it in water and drink. We have dill, banana trees in the back, 9 months to flower, sweet corn, spring onions, bell peppers, carrots, tomatoes planted.
Lots of things.
Yeah, sweet potatoes and Asian peas. Ginger, no.
And guava.
Guava, yes, in the back. Plums, yes.
Which ones? Which ones you have? The purple ones, the red ones?
Wow, that is beautiful.
So my group, we call her Paradise View.
It is paradise view for sure.
Yes, so here you can see the view of majestic Gros Piton,
Oh yes.
the big one. Well
Close
organized
and
for
personal.
hiking. Okay, you start at that community down there, right down there. Functionally, on the valley of the Great Beach. Okay, you don't hike on this place here all the way in the back to the top. It'll take you 4 or 5 hours long trip to hike.
Okay.
4 or 5 hours round trip.
I'll drive you all there. I'll wait. You sit down there, waiting down there for you. That's why I wait for you, because you're doing that and you wait all the way up there.
I just hiked the Ted Paul Nature Trail and it was an amazing experience, picture perfect view. St. Lucia is just so beautiful. There are so many things to do, so many places to see, and there is never a dull moment. So if you want to visit Ted Paul, just book an appointment and then you can tick that off your bucket list. Remember to wear protective clothing, wear comfortable shoes, have something light on your back, and of course hold your water so you can keep hydrated. I am Rim Sonson reporting. I had such an amazing day today in Soufrière. We had a tour guide, so we learned quite a lot about the place, the history, about the plants and the trees. We socialized and it was just a good experience. Follow Rim Sonson on Facebook and Instagram. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my blog outtropicalliving.com. Remember to like, share and subscribe, as I said, and enjoy life.